Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens. Today, we had a 2016 Camaro SS come into the shop. The SS is the V8 performance model. It came in because it had a constant misfire. Here, you can see the diagnostic report from us scanning the car. So this is an advanced scan tool by Autel, and it allows us to scan all the individual modules so it'll help us narrow it down. Now that we see that we have a random misfire, P0300, we have to diagnose further to find out what is causing the misfire. So for a car to misfire, it has to have some sort of deficiency in spark, air, or fuel. So we will continue with the diagnosing to see what is causing the misfire. After further diagnosing, we found the problem. We found the cause of the misfire. So we saw that the misfire was mainly in cylinder number 3, and this is what we found.
That is antifreeze. Cylinder number 3, misfire. Code P0300, high misfires of cylinder number 3. Chevy Camaro.
So with this camera, we're able to look into each individual cylinder, and we were able to confirm that indeed the misfires were coming from cylinder number 3, and when we checked it with a camera, we see antifreeze. So what that means is that the head gasket has failed and it's allowing antifreeze into the cylinder. So this car has a blown head gasket. So now that we know what the problem is, we will contact the customer and see how if they want to go forward with the repair, as a blown head gasket is not a particularly cheap repair. And this is why it's important to have a shop that knows how to diagnose cars properly. Because if the car was misdiagnosed, they see some issue with misfires, okay, a shop that doesn't go through the proper procedures to find out what the problem is, they may change spark plugs, they may change ignition coils, because they don't have the knowledge or they're too lazy to actually test to see what the problem is. This is why if you want your car diagnosed and repaired correctly, you bring it to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens, New York.